Here we have quite a few lines of code. Let's do all of this in just one line using the ternary operator. The ternary or conditional operator works and reads similar to a regular if-else condition. It's called ternary because it consists of three parts: the condition, followed by a question mark, then the consequent, followed by a colon, and finally the alternative. If the condition is true, then the consequent is evaluated. If the condition is false, the alternative is used. Now let's write this even shorter, like this. Still one line too much. Oh well. Yeah, that's better. Here's a direct comparison between using the ternary operator and our initial if-else statement. Let's quickly read the ternary operator aloud for practice. So debug log condition if dir greater than 0, then use the string logdir right, else use the log logdir left. Be aware that the ternary operator must return a value and that value must be assigned. You can't simply call functions with it like this. Except if the functions have the correct return type, of course, and you assign it. Or just return the result in the function itself. Just like if-else statements, you can also chain ternary operators together. Here's an example of this, where the alternative is a ternary operator of itself. How readable this one still is, though, is for you to decide. Theoretically, you could create really long conditional chains, and with some line breaks, they might even be quite readable. Personally, I rarely ever use chains longer than 2 conditions. But how you use the ternary operator, and if you even use it at all over other options like if-else and switch statements, is totally up to your preference.